Okay, hi traders. Today is 16th of January 2020. We are now live at the Trading Crude Oil Market, WTI NYMEX. So time now is 9:24 a.m. in the morning in New York local time. So we have been 24 minutes after 9 since the beginning of US session. Since so far there's no signal yet from my paradox setup, and we will see whether we have an opportunity to go for the long position. So at this moment we are still waiting for we're still waiting for a good buy signal. So let's wait and see. Maybe in 4 minutes time we will have a good signal to go for a buy bullish position. So in this video I will show you how I do day trading during US session. So please watch it till the end. You can see how I did it to find the entry, and also to TP where the TP I'm always do. So this is a quick scalp under epic trade strategy. So there's a link below in description, so feel free to click on it whether this live broadcast channel from Telegram, and also this result also. Okay, by the way, we pause for a while while waiting for the setup to appear and to give us a signal. Alright traders, we have an entry, so let's take a look over here on the right chart. So we are going to buy long at 55.21. So based on from my Telegram channel as well, I'm sending out this signal. So you can see that try to buy long at 58.21. So let's hope this will be a good trade, a fast one. So let's wait and see. Maybe this one could be the epic one. Within a few seconds the market will trigger and exit. So let's be patient while the market still working on it. Okay, we are in the market. Okay, we in the market already. So you can see 58.21 over here. So we already in the market, so the price start to move on the upper side. So let me take a look on the better candle. So we are on the move. We are on the move. So still minus 2 ticks. So over here still waiting for the market to spike up. Okay, it's gonna take some time, but I'm still expecting for this market to clear within 2 minutes, because the profit is not much, only about 100 ticks. Sorry, 10 ticks for $100. Let's hope everything will be fine, and we will see whether this will be a good epic trade or not. So okay, so we have this is the entry point 50.31, and still waiting. So we are about minus 6 ticks, or 8 ticks, 6 ticks, sorry. So let me close this one. Okay, so just focus on the candle on the right hand side, and we are on the long position. So let's hope. Okay, we are about 1 minute in the market. So basically this is the entry, not the really entry for US session, because it's already after 30 minutes. So this is not an entry position. Just wait. It's gonna take some time. Okay, now price at the between around our entry price level. So let's take a look on the volume on the left side. So there's not much volume waiting here, so the market will go on the bullish movement, but perform performing to the 58.40, but we'll take profit earlier. Maybe I'll add 58.31, so it's been decided beforehand, so pre-decided. So we are expecting for the bullish movement for tonight, but for scalping we will go for a bit less today, 100 US dollar as the target, and hopefully everything will be fine and can exit the market as fast as we can. So there's no spike in the volume. If you are looking on the left here, the depth of market, DOM, it doesn't look good. Market did back to the negative area. So okay, let's wait some more. It has been around 6 or 7 minutes since we entering the market. So I'm also have two position. One is short sell for natural gas, and the other one is long buy for crude oil. This is a live trading. So time now is 9:38 a.m. New York time. So by the way, if you are first time looking to my video, so feel free to subscribe this channel, like, share, comment, or ask me anything, no problem. And there's also a link in the description below to join my live trading signal channel, so feel free to click on it. Still no big move at this moment. I'm still waiting for some volume to be appeared, so you can see there's a spike or there's a demand strongly from the upper side. Let's start to move. Okay, new candle appeared, so looks good. We are on the positive side. So okay, 0 again, but this is gonna be a quick one. Okay, that's what we want. So let's wait. We are plus now, plus 10. So let's keep watching this one. I will enlarge this chart so you can see better. Still waiting for the right move to push the price to the upper side. Still no sudden move, so let's take a look. There's a high volume here waiting at 58.25. So hopefully, okay, another volume 58.30, quite high, 59 or 60. So we are about 2 ticks or 1 ticks on the profit side. Okay, keep on going. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, good. Plus 6 ticks, 5 ticks, 6 ticks. Okay, our TP is 31, so price now already touch 30. This is the peak here. Yeah, 30. No, plus 50. Okay, a lot of traders escaped earlier at 13, so that's why it's kind of, but it's okay. Market will go for the high, but we will only take at 31, so should be around 10 ticks. Yes, wait. Okay, we out. We hit. Okay, we hit the target. Yes, nice for a while. So have a profit of 110. So between this green line and this red line, so it's a quick 10 ticks. Not a really a quick one, but yeah, I think quite decent. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Feel free. Okay, let me update first. Okay, let me update first. Okay, so for today, another $100 in profit. Looks good so far. You have to maintain the profit, so waiting for a second signal tonight. Let's wait if there's an opportunity for us to go for the second entry. It was a good $100 as a day salary for one lot position size. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the other video or tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.